I'm going to do a quick practice test of how to edit some audio. And you know what? I'm going to record some audio. So you come up here, you click record. This is Audacity. Audacity is a free program. It's fantastic. But what I like to do is I like to click record and let it be silent for about 3 seconds. And then start talking. So we're going to test this. Because what you hear in this mic, because it's going through OBS, it's edited and filtered, noise grain and all that, suppressing my fucking AC unit. So, we're going to test this, and then I'm going to upload this as a tutorial for anyone who wants it. Mainly a friend of mine who's kind of interested in getting into the weird shit that I do. You can set it up to a mono recording or a stereo recording. I do stereo usually, mono's fine. One's 2 rows, one's 1 row. It depends on what you're wanting to do with it. So we're gonna go with stereo. Make sure it's connected to your USB microphone. Sometimes it'll actually read my webcam mic. So I have to make sure whichever microphone it's reading. So we're gonna test this. Hello, my name's Chrissy, and welcome to this random tutorial. Woohoo! Okay, so you say whatever you want. So you see how, like, this line sticker, it's not flat? When you highlight it, so what you want to do is you want to make sure you're on this tool. This is your kind of, like, select tool. And you're going to highlight these sections. And it's not coming from my headphones right now. I personally like to listen for things through my headphones a lot. But it's coming for the TV, and that is perfectly fine. Let's make it go for the headphones. Yeah, I like to make sure it's coming from my headphones, but I also want to make sure you guys are picking it up. Are you guys not picking that up? Yeah, there it is. I have to make sure. So what you want to do is, in Audacity, go to Effect. You want to go to Noise Reduction. And click Get Noise Profile. What that does is it gets the noise profile so it understands what the sound is. And you want to come over here and you want to select the whole thing. And you'll do that by just clicking off and then clicking here, and this whole section will be highlighted. Noise Reduction again. Click OK. And you are basically going to repeat this process until you basically get as little to no noise or feedback as possible. And it does take a while to kind of get there. See how this line's flat now? But there's still a little bit of that noise there. And this noise, while you might not realize it, it is caught in here. And it can make your voice sound fuzzy or kind of indistinguishable. And so you definitely know it's not there because of this. And then so you can go ahead and trim this down. And we'll just listen to it this way.
Hello, my name's Chrissy, and welcome to this random tutorial. Woohoo!
Yeah, so see, that sounds a lot clearer. It's not coming from my headphones, so I took it off. And so another thing to help it sound more clear is you want to normalize. And then you want to do compressor. And that'll help it sound more clear.
Hello, my name's Chrissy, and welcome to this random tutorial.
And another thing, I saw this in another tutorial video, you can do the bass and treble boost. Last time I did it by 2s, but it'll start out as standard 1, click apply, it'll do that. And so that'll raise your bass and your treble.
Hello,
So to kind of
my
make it
name's
more
Chrissy,
easier.
and welcome to this random tutorial. Woohoo!
Okay, so it's clipping over there, so let's just go ahead and normalize it again so that you don't have a whole bunch of audio clipping and your audience is not in the red. And then you just trim your audio down to what you want it to be. And yeah, that's pretty much how you edit basic audio editing for Audacity, you can take it, do whatever you want with it. Because if I go and say, because I realize I didn't play what it originally sounded like for you. So if I go here,
Hello, my name's
you
Chrissy,
can really
and welcome
hear,
to this random tutorial.
you can really hear how that is very different from this over here.
Hello, my name's Chrissy, and welcome to...
So without all that static, everyone can hear you, and you're all good, and you're easy peasy pretty much. So woo! Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know. Oh good, I was able to explain that in 5 minutes. Hopefully it made sense. If not, please inform me. It would be nice. Bye bye.